Alright, today we're gonna watch and enjoy a longer version or a longer piece of the Ninjaman versus Emily interview. I say versus because it was a battlefield, a battle interview which we all love and enjoy. The longer version or the full version is on TVJ YouTube channel, but you have to go search feed or just type in Ninjaman and Emily and you will see it pop up TVJ. Yeah, but anyways, let's get into the short piece.
Tell me a little, Ninja, of how you grew up. Because even now, you seem as if you're acting.
Me?
Is this a stage for you?
I'll give you a joke, man. Everything me do a real thing. Me not have no time for you, know.
How many times have you gone in front of the judge at your young age?
Well, if you don't know Jamaica people business and then know Ninjaman business in Jamaica, then should I know how much time them bring me front of judge for me don't know about.
You talk the truth. You tell me. How old are you?
A whole heap of time.
How old are you?
Right now at my young age, Mr. Young, bold and beautiful, I'm 37 years of age, the 24th of this month.
Listen, no matter how much of time I watch the interview, it's still funny to me. Mr. Young, you know what, run it.
How many children do you have?
23, 22 baby mother. I was batting careful, a good cricketer.
If you're batting careful, how did you manage to have 23 children?
Because I lick all of the runs, them I never out for ducks.
Yeah?
I never out for ducks.
You think you're a role model for the young guys of Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm a role model for the young guys of Jamaica because...
Ninja say I'm a road model, not a role model. Did you pick up on that? I did. So watch it again and enjoy it.
Remember my first song said, I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them see the way. Show them all the beauty we possess inside. And my part come in and say, send for your protection if you're not ready for baby. I never get nobody pregnant till when me named Dan Gargan.
At what age was that? What age were you the Dan Gargan?
From me at 15.
You started at 15 and you believe as a role model having 23 children with 22 women.
When you can't mind them.
Yes? And even when you can, that is a good way for a role model to behave?
Yeah, it's better than you get the picking them because whenever time a woman get pregnant in the world is the blessing of the Almighty God and comes what me God send that child in this world for you should not commit abortion.
Hey, don't play with the ninja and ninja say pro-life. Well, with me, I'm a pro-life, pro-choice person. Yeah, but yeah, ninja right still. Enough people can't walk, enough women can't walk past cemetery. You're gonna hear all kind of same thing about it.
And you're a murderer, and that them thing there where Prime Minister start to sentence the doctor them where take out people picking out of them because God give life. And when it come here, you must preserve it, you know, if you desert it.
Do you take care of all of those children?
Me make sure me not talk to woman we too poor, you know. Me talk to woman we can't mind all me too.
That's a worthless mentality.
No.
Is it
not a worthless mentality. A man that have sense that because you don't know the responsibility of one child must just go have 23. And when you see some when 23 people start call upon you and are you alone, you think me I got teeth to please nobody. You must never, as a young man, never take up a woman that when you put on one, she can't put on one too.
Okay. One cocoa full basket, so them say. And one hand can't clap, so a two. Ain't nothing wrong with 50-50 relationship. I ain't gonna lie. But honestly, I've been in worse kind of relationship. But yeah, ninja talk facts though.
I mean, I ask you that. That's my foolish time when me just bust. But me have one thing to tell you. Anytime you talking to a woman as a young man, you must be an industrious person. She mustn't be a woman who's sitting and lap her fractal and when you gone, she gone over Dan, gone chat, and over Sharon, gone chat, and over Beverly, gone chat, and your house dirty, all your business are spoiled, and she gone chat somebody else's business. Me need a woman where when me say, all right, here is two. When me come back and say, you know, so me broke. She say, well, Gargan, I'm tell you something. You give me 2,000 the other day, now. Well, I me have 20,000 in there, so I have 16,000 or 15,000. If it's even 3,000, I am proud of her.
Yes, Ninja. You give her something to put on. You must can go back to her and say, oh, mommy, something come up. Give me something. And she can give you something to deal with something. You see me I say? Something or something. But once again, Ninja speaking facts. The Ninja never lie. Free Ninja. Now stop say that until Ninja free. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe.